ladies and gentlemen, I am Valiyev Radmir, a student from 9A class. To begin with, let me ask you some questions. So, do you want to be healthy and strong like Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Yes!
Or do you want to be loved by girls?
Yes!
So, I think the answers are yes, because after my presentation you will know how to do this. Today, as you may have guessed, I'm going to speak about muscles and how to train them. But when you see, I'm not going to speak about each muscle in the human body, because I'm short of time and I'm afraid it will be too boring. So, first of all, I advise you to take a lot of sports supplements. Just simple, without training and physical activities. Of course, it's a joke, but maybe a bad one, but still. Although a lot of people think like this, and what is worse, some of them do like this. Let me introduce 3 golden rules for good training from Valiyev. So, the first rule is, without physical activities and hard working, you won't and you can't train anything. Remember that people who promise you to increase your muscles without training are liars. The second rule is, you must not miss your workout, because one workout is step forward, but one missed workout is 2 steps back. The third rule is, do your best every workout and never feel sorry for yourself. It's simple. So to my mind, it is the main rules for good training. So, do you know how many muscles a human body contains? Do you? No, so I don't think so. A human body contains approximately from 650 to 850 muscles. It's a large number, I guess. So let's see some of them on the picture. There are a lot of them. Maybe you're confused. So I want to dwell on rectus abdominis. Do you have any ideas what it is in rectus abdominis? Do you have any ideas? No? Rectus abdominis is a long, flat muscle which extends along the whole length of the front of the abdomen. Every man wants to have a strong rectus abdominis because it looks beautiful at first, and the second, just simple. The majority of girls like it. So, but how to train rectus abdominis in a good way? I have 3 main exercises. First exercise is double crunch. You can see on the video how to do it. The second important exercise is handball. And the last exercise is vertical leg crunches. beginners, I advise to do 3 sets. Each set contains 30 repetitions. In a conclusion, I want to say that my aim was to motivate you for doing sport and for training your rectus abdominis, especially. So don't forget about girls. My last advice to you is stick to a sport diet, don't smoke and don't drink alcohol. Do your best and you'll have an excellent body. So, thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions?
Okay, thank you. Any questions?